before I blow my candle, I wish to thank God for giving you to my life. My Daddy Baya, you're my sunshine, you're my everything. You're the reason why I'm going on in life, and I love you very, very, very much.
I love you very, very much too, baby.
May God heal you, Baya. I'll
Amen.
always be here for you till the very end. I love you.
I love you too. Remember this when we sang, when you need a friend,
I am here. I am your
Yeah.
best friend.
and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. See you again.
Can I cut my cake already?
Unless you want me to eat the whole cake.
No.
Don't make pie. You have to blow it.
Lord, please answer my wish. This first cake is for you, Daddy, and Mommy.
Okay, thank you. I'll eat it on their behalf.
Thank you for everything you have done for me, my parents.
Okay, bye-bye.
And this small cake is for my Bayatoli.
Okay, enough. Bye.